Hi, welcome again to a Torah thought of approximately 3 minutes in length. Refer to the sentence or sentences in the recording that refer to the biblical source. You know, Pesach is very unique and commemorates the liberation from the Jewish people after having been enslaved, caused by their assimilating with the general population, and now that we were freed, we are to remember these times that God has came to deliver the Jewish people from slavery, actually working with them in this world, as we see in the first commandment. I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt, showing that he takes a responsibility and bringing them action and bringing them out of the land of Egypt. And we have a Haggadah which commemorates this taking out, and also tells us about the laws and thoughts that we should go over pertaining to Passover in this book, the Haggadah, which encompasses all the miracles and laws of eating Passover. So you should buy a Haggadah and look at that Haggadah and follow the steps of the Seder. Seder meaning order, when to drink the 4 cups, when to say a certain parts of the Bible. So buy an Haggadah, English translation with explanation, and Art Scrolls puts out a good one. So that's important. And one thing is that before Passover begins, we are to not eat chametz. And where do we learn that out? From Exodus chapter 16:3. In Exodus, because it says over there that after midday you should not eat the korban, the offering of the Passover lamb, with chametz. You should not eat them together. So we see that on after midday, we should not eat any leavened products, and midday is a deadline. But the rabbis made a gate around the Torah so that we shouldn't transgress that line of end of the 6th hour. They made it added another hour, and say we shouldn't do it till the end of the 5th hour. We can eat chametz, end of the 5th hour. But some people hold that the 5th hour, 4th to the 5th, may be cloudy. We may not see the time frame for a half a day. So those are, but we could handle it or benefit from it, or sell it or burn it. Thank you.